In this video, we're starting this little 2008 Smart 451 Passion Cabriolet for the first time in 2 years. Now, the original owner unfortunately passed away more than 3 years ago. It drove for a while and then was parked in the rain with an open roof for more than 2 years after no one could help with the lost paperwork and some mechanical issues, including not going into reverse and the key won't turn, and also that roof that doesn't want to close. The previous video, we drained very old brown fuel from the fuel tank, replaced the battery, but it still wouldn't start. So let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. Okay, so I sprayed this coil plug with Q20, gently pressed on this, and now it's loose. I think. Yes. So we are going to check for 12 volt, ground, and signal. I assume the black wire is ground. Yes, it is. So then one of these should be 12 volt. Okay, I don't see 12 volt at either of the two brown wire pins. Okay, so I checked that there's continuity between the ground, the black wire, and the engine, and so it's grounded. But there's not 12 volt at any of the other two pins, so that's a problem. So it could be a fuse. Hopefully it's a fuse. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's check the fuses. I know fuse number 1 should give 12 volts, and it does. That's the engine fuse, both sides, and then 8, 9 and 10 as well. So let's check. 12 volts, 12 volts, 12, 12, 12, 12 volts. Okay, so it gives 12 volts on either side, so that means all the ignition fuses has power, which means the red fuse behind this same unit has power, because that feeds these 4. So now what? That has power on both sides. I don't know what it is. That one doesn't. On this side it does. You can't see. Yes, big one. Yeah. Okay, they all have power, so that means it's not in the fuse box. It's not, hopefully not the same unit. There's a little yellow relay there at the back, so I don't know what that does. I'll go and Google that just now. Let's check this again. So I'm going to hook the multimeter there, or there. I know that has continuity to the battery, and we can check that. Earlier I had continuity there. Let's hook it up to something else. Okay, I'm on ohms. Ah, it was that one. What? That one has continuity. That's one of the brown wires. Earlier it was the black one. Anyways, so we've got continuity there. Now let's check for 12 volts. Ah, what? The black one has 12 volts. So the black one is the power. Okay, now that's the signal wire, the middle one. Let's go get someone to crank it. I got it started. Oh, it smells like fuel. And the reason why it started now is because I pressed the brake pedal. Damn, I don't know why I didn't do that. And wow, it's running. Success! Stupid me.
What?
I didn't press the brake pedal when I attempted to start it. I think I did earlier, but I didn't do now. Hey, what do you think? High five. Okay. Alright.
Feels like there's a
It feels like the
brake.
brakes are
Yes.
like seized. Okay, I'm gonna push it in neutral and see if it moves then, because then we know it's the brakes that's binding. Yes, it's the brakes binding.
Okay, so we're not going anywhere. Not
just
yet.
wait a sec. That is funny.
It feels like the handbrake's on
I know.
and locked.
Yeah, it's definitely the wheels not moving, because I can feel when I
Yeah.
push it in reverse and I give it gas, it tries to stand
the
up
wheels
like
are, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Miskien as ek dit net. Oops.
What was that?
That was a gear lever.
Oh no, sounds bad.
The problem is there's a gate that I don't want to smash into.
I would not do that.
Oh. Okay, take the wheels off and try again. Now the question is,
Oh, can I just say something?
yes, let's
That really is bothering me there. And it's in my shot the whole time. I'm so sorry,
that's
people.
funny, yeah.
I've been trying to put Francis' head in front of it, but it's
That is-
really making my filming difficult.
Nice. Okay.
Ooh,
I don't know what that was.
taka taka taka.
Taka, 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 taka. Okay. Well, frick.
Oh, it's going.
I think the thing is the brakes are binding because it doesn't want to move
Why is it? Oh,
easily. Something's not right. I can
You can-
hear the brakes. You hear it?
yes.
I can hear the brakes binding.
Will they not get hot?
It might, yeah. Probably gonna bleed the brakes anyway, so if they do get hot, it's fine. But yeah, it's not moving easily. Yes.
Lily, what's your first impressions? I think she likes it.
What? This is insane!
It's going.
Yes, see, it's moving. I can hear the wheels grinding. Hey.
How's that, Lily?
Ah, it's working. There's a check engine light on, we'll fix that. There's a whole bunch of trouble codes, but that's fine. I think it's just a flat battery, but it's driving fine. There's no weird noises. I can hear the brake rotors grinding. So we'll take the wheels off and you can hear that's the brakes.
Better not go too far.
That's the infamous gear changes. But it's not too bad. I thought it's been worse. There's the fucker. Yeah, the wheels are definitely binding. That was nothing. Now it moves on. Check. It's not hot. It's like any Mercedes. The more you drive it, the more it fixes itself. There. The shocking thing is I saw the short-term fuel trim is not learning and the oxygen sensors are dead. So then I saw a misfire on cylinder 2 and remembered I didn't plug in the coil. And now Tanya's driving and she's driving on 3 out of 3 cylinders and it's amazing. I mean,
It's so fast.
this thing is insane. I can't believe I thought it's normal on 2 out of 3 cylinders.
Wow. Love it. Love it.
Is it faster than the Jimny?
Ooh, wrong way.
Let's zoom out of it. And the roof is open. And that actually works with the button there while you're driving.
You know what? It reminds me of the Mini Cooper.
Oh yes, yeah, it's like
It's the same feeling. The steering wheel, it's giving that joy.
it's like a go-kart or a baby's
I love it.
walking ring.
Missed it.
Wow.
Okay.
Huh?
Is he not? Yeah, it's the closest to the Cooper that
Yeah.
I've ever felt, and I think maybe that as well.
Yeah, it's
Because
the
the
dials.
Cooper's got, it's got the same feel.
Okay, so
Oh,
that's not small enough. That's not small enough. So we got this
is
one.
small enough.
Wow.
It's cool, man.
Oh, it's one of the first times I got approval right from the start.
Yeah.
I can feel the brakes binding. That's fine. You see, yeah, you're right. It does feel like the Mini Cooper. It feels like a
Does, eh?
little sports car.
Yeah.
But it almost has the same power as your Jimny, but it weighs half the. I mean, it's half the weight.
Can we get the windows closed? Ooh. Check.
Fancy, fancy. Let's see if the aircon works. If that works, then I'll be like super amazed.
It still felt like the Franklin was in the car, but I realized the sound's coming in there at the
If
roof.
this thing blows cold, though, imagine.
I can feel it.
What? It's like, huh?
Who's that?
You can feel the aircon sucks the power, but it's fine. It blows cold, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh,
Your suspension is not made for off-roading. Just that the gear shifts is fine. People complain that it's terrible, but it's fine.
It's really nice.
Let's see.
and this lock, this.
I think that's the door lock. That might be something that's not working.
Cool.
Something has to be wrong with it.
Only thing that's wrong with it is not mine yet.
You are cool.
I think there's enough space for a 12-year-old in the back, don't you think?
Yeah, easy. And a little Yorkie.
Yeah, for sure.
No ways. Whoa. Thank you for watching. It was a little bit of a long video, but this car is awesome fun, a lot more than I expected, and it's in awesome condition. One owner since new, full service history at Mercedes-Benz. We'll delve into the details more in the next video, where we'll make a list of all the little niggles that still need sorting, and we'll try to figure out how to sort out the lost paperwork. Thanks for watching. See you next time.